Tom is learning to do that now. Tom is learning to do that now. Tom isn't yet ready to do that. Tom isn't yet ready to do that. Tom said that he can't do that. Tom said that he can't do that. Tom won't allow you to do that. Tom won't allow you to do that. You can't allow Tom to do that. You can't allow Tom to do that. Tom may be hesitant to do that. Tom may be hesitant to do that. Tom was lucky he could do that. Tom was lucky he could do that. Tom will be anxious to do that. Tom will be anxious to do that. You should tell Tom to do that. You should tell Tom to do that. Would Tom be afraid to do that? Would Tom be afraid to do that? Will you permit Tom to do that? Will you permit Tom to do that? Will Tom be willing to do that? Will Tom be willing to do that? Why didn't Tom want to do that? Why didn't Tom want to do that? Why didn't Tom need to do that? Why didn't Tom need to do that? Why didn't Tom have to do that? Why didn't Tom have to do that? Who told you Tom would do that? Who told you Tom would do that? Who told you Tom could do that? Who told you Tom could do that? When did Tom decide to do that? When did Tom decide to do that? We don't permit Tom to do that. We don't permit Tom to do that. Was Tom really able to do that? Was Tom really able to do that? They say that Tom will do that. They say that Tom will do that. Please tell Tom not to do that. Please tell Tom not to do that. Let's have Tom do that for you. Let's have Tom do that for you. It looks like Tom will do that. It looks like Tom will do that. Is Tom still unable to do that? Is Tom still unable to do that? Is Tom still likely to do that? Is Tom still likely to do that? Is Tom still afraid to do that? Is Tom still afraid to do that? I've warned Tom not to do that. I've warned Tom not to do that. I'd never allow Tom to do that. I'd never allow Tom to do that. I wonder why Tom won't do that. I wonder why Tom won't do that. I wonder when Tom will do that. I wonder when Tom will do that. I think that Tom won't do that. I think that Tom won't do that. I shouldn't ask Tom to do that. I shouldn't ask Tom to do that. I should tell Tom I'll do that. I should tell Tom I'll do that. Tom was told he should do that. Tom was told he should do that. I suspect Tom needs to do that. I suspect Tom needs to do that. I suspect Tom wants to do that. I suspect Tom wants to do that. I'm sure Tom can do that again. I'm sure Tom can do that again. I asked Tom to do that quickly. I asked Tom to do that quickly. I asked Tom to do that quietly. I asked Tom to do that quietly. I assured Tom that I'd do that. I assured Tom that I'd do that. I didn't permit Tom to do that. I didn't permit Tom to do that. Tom made no attempt to do that. Tom made no attempt to do that. I've agreed to do that for Tom. I've agreed to do that for Tom. Please have Tom do that for me. Please have Tom do that for me. Tell Tom when he should do that. Tell Tom when he should do that. I'm not sure Tom should do that. I'm not sure Tom should do that. I've asked Tom to do that again. I've asked Tom to do that again. I've advised Tom not to do that. I've advised Tom not to do that. I've never asked Tom to do that. I've never asked Tom to do that.